Hello, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hold up, if you haven't already, press the subscribe button below so I don't classify you as fake. Just kidding. If you are looking for fashion and tech videos, you have come to the right place. Yeah, in today's video I'll be doing a sneaker haul of the new rose gold elements. Here is the sneaker box. So it came wrapped. These are called Little Nike Posits grade school. So like I said, I told you guys that they are grade school. So the color of the sneakers is rust pink and white and black and rose. So these are the sneakers. So here, I'll show you guys like what the box says. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, so of course it came in the official Nike box. And in the back of the box, it says Nike swoosh. Dope, 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 dope. I'm super excited. All right, so let's get into the actual sneakers. So, all right, so when you open up the box, you guys will see the card. So, like I said, I got this sneaker from goat.com. So when you purchase your sneaker, this comes in a box. So like I said, all the sneaker information, like where I got the sneaker from and all the information will be in the description box below. So definitely check it out if you want to look at all the sneakers that's on this website. And to be honest, like they have a lot of sneakers on here that came out a while ago. I'm not too sure of like if they overpriced the sneakers, but I got these for a good price. So I would definitely say check it out if you're looking for sneakers that you might have missed the release date, but you always want that sneaker. So I would definitely look at that particular website if you're looking for a pair of sneakers. So of course the sneaker came wrapped in tissue. So yeah. Yay! These are the sneakers, rose gold, baby. So as you guys can see, this is the sneaker. Look at the detail, and you see like the Nike check right here. So keep in mind these are grade school, so yes, they look small as hell. And you guys can see they actually have the rose gold Nike sign. They have the rose gold check plus on the bottom of the shoe. So yes, this is the sneaker. All right, so this is it, and yeah, so this is the other side. I did try these sneakers on and they fit super comfortable. I would definitely say I'm so happy that I got a size 7 because I was thinking about getting a size 6.5, but I don't know. These are my first Foamposites. So I never bought a pair, and I was like, you know what, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I got a size 7. So I'm super happy that I got these. To me, I feel like you can definitely rock these swagged out. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.